video tutorial, what we will learn is we will use this website called sqlpractice.com, and we will run 10 easy SQL questions. So we'll practice 10 easy SQL questions that will be automatically provided to us through this site. Now there are 3 difficulty levels: easy, medium and hard, but in this particular video we will only work on easy. After this, in the next progressive videos, we will move to hard, and then move to medium and then hard. Okay, so let us quickly see what is the database that we have. So we have one database, one schema, and these are the following tables. Okay, admissions table and doctor and province, and each of this table is connected to the other table either through a unique key or a primary key. Very good. Now let me quickly write down here. Let me write down, this is question 1, and let me run this test query. Okay, so patients table, very nice. So let me quickly start. Click on start. Okay, what is the first question? Show first name of patients that starts with letter C. Alright, so select first name from, so here it is written, it's expecting only patients table, so patients where first name like capital C and then a percentage. Let me see trunks. Okay, it's correct. So there are 2 possible solutions. The first one is the one that we did. What is the next solution? Okay, we can use substring. Very nice. Let's move to the next question. Show first name and last name of patients that weight within the range of 100 to 120. Okay, this is question 2. First name comma last name from patients table where weight between 100 and 20. Let us see. Okay, it's correct. Let me see the solutions. There are 2 possible solutions. One is the one that we did. The other one is, okay, so using weight is this, and just using an AND. Okay, let's go to the next question. Update the patient's table for the allergies column. If the patient's allergies is null, then replace it with NKA. So update patients, update table name, set allergies is equals to NKA where allergies is null. So if the patient's allergy is null, they replace it. Okay, let us see if this works. Okay, it's correct, and this is the only possible solution. Let's move to the next question. Show first name and last name concatenated into one column to show the full name. Okay, so this is question number 4. So sorry, I'm missing the numbers. So show first name and last name concatenated into one column to show full name. So something like that. Okay, it's pretty easy. Sorry. Select first name. Oh no. Concat first name, comma, let's use some space here, comma, last name from patient's table, and here as full underscore name. Alright, let's run it. It's correct. Two possible solutions. First one is the one that we did. What is the next solution? Okay, next solution is using this using the symbol. Let's go to next question. Question number 5. Show first name, last name and full province name of each patient. Example, Ontario instead of on. Okay, so they're expecting the full province name. So here we have only province ID. The province names are here and this is connected through the province ID that is present here. Okay, so we'll have to do one quick join here. Let's see. Select what is needed. First name, comma, last name, comma, province name from patients table as P. We will take this as, and then join province names. Okay, so it's taking as patients. Let me just remove this. Province names as PR. Okay, so and then on join on P dot province ID is equals to PR dot province ID. So let us quickly see. This belongs to patients table, so I'll write down P here. This belongs to patients table and this belongs to province table. Let us see if this works. Province names, something went wrong. Okay, just name, not names. I think it has considered the entire column. Let me see. Okay, it's correct. The possible solution is the one that we did it. Let's go to next question. Question number 6. Show how many patients have a birth date with how many patients have a birth date with 210 as the birth year. Okay, so we'll have to count the total. Select all from patients table. Let me see. So there is birth date. Okay, table where year as total yes, we'll have to use a sum here. Sum of all as total patients from where year of birth year date equals to 2010. Let's hope this works. Wrong number of argument function. Okay, so I will give patient ID here. The query does not match the expected output. What went wrong? So select. Oh, count. Sorry. Count. Let us run now. Okay, it's correct. Okay, so I could have given all star also. It's not a problem. Year of birth. Okay, first possible solution. The next possible solution was using and the other possible solution was using between. Alright, let's go to next question. Question number 7. Show the first name, last name and height of patients with greatest height. Great, so we are expecting only single output here. Select first name, comma, last name, comma, height from patients table, order by height and let's take only the first one. I'll use limit 1. So first name, last name, and height. This will come, this will go, and this will order by height, and then it will display that single name. Let us see. Let's put a semicolon. Run. Okay, your query does not match the expected output. Oh, order by it's ascending. So sorry, it should be descending. Let's run now. Yes, it's correct. So the possible solutions are two, where okay, we could have used a subquery where we select max height from patients table, and then the other possible solution uh, is this as height from patients. Okay, how this worked? So let's not let's go to the next question. Question number 8. Show all columns for patients who have one of the following patient IDs. Select all from patients table where patient ID in. Let's copy paste them. This should be easy. Let us see. Yes, it's correct. Only one solution. Let's go to the next question. Question number 9. Show the total number of admissions. So total number of admissions from admission table. Let's see. Select count of I can do with admission date. I think that makes more sense. So I'll use admission date. Select count of admission date as total ISS admissions from the admissions table. It should be easy. Let's see. Yes, or I can use also the entire all because of the star. All right, let's go to next question, which is the 10th final question. Show all the columns from the admissions where the patient was admitted and discharged on the same day. Let me keep this. Select all from admissions where admitted date is equals to discharge date. Should be pretty easy. Is this the expected outcome? Show all the columns from admissions where the patient was admitted and discharged on the same day. Same day. Let's see if this works. Okay, it's same. I was confused because sometimes if it's just if it's a date and time field, then a time will vary and then it can give you a wrong output. In that case, you probably have to use year and then day, date, and then identify if that is the same date as the one that we're expecting. So yeah, we did 10 questions here. In the next video I will do medium ones. Thank you so much. Please subscribe to my channel. I have created Python basics video tutorial in Hindi because I was expecting that I will be able to reach more crowd in India. So please have a look at it, and if you would like me to put a Python tutorial in English, please write in the comment section. I will do it for you. Thank you so much. If you have any questions, please let me know. Bye.